With the ability to analyze Dynamics 365 financial statements with Copilot for Excel, you can quickly uncover trends, summarize key metrics, and generate actionable insights using natural language. No complex formulas required. To begin, save your data export and then open in Excel. The Copilot button will appear for any Copilot licensed user and allow them to enter plain language queries about their data. You can ask Copilot questions with conversational language and then take action on analysis and suggestions in real time. Make sure to click this to add a new tab in Excel with the data visualization suggested by Copilot. Switching to the new sheet, we can see the chart and visualization of Copilot's analysis of profit by product. Let's try one more query in Copilot. Once you click to add to a new sheet, Copilot confirms the completion of its analysis for you to go view in the appropriate sheet. Interested in learning more about how Microsoft 365 and tools like Copilot for Excel can transform your financial reporting process? Speak with one of our experts at Velosio.